Looking for top-notch window replacement services in West Jordan, Utah? Our team specializes in providing energy-efficient windows that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improve its energy efficiency. Whether you need custom awning windows or vinyl awning windows, West Jordan, we have the perfect solution for your residential window needs. Our window replacement experts in West Jordan are dedicated to offering comprehensive awning windows West Jordan services. From window frame replacement to window sealing services, we ensure your awning windows West Jordan are in optimal condition. Our window insulation services are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round, reducing energy costs and enhancing indoor comfort. For those seeking commercial window services in West Jordan, our team provides tailored solutions to meet your business needs. We offer window design consultation to help you choose the best window style options for your commercial space. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit, while our window upgrade solutions enhance both functionality and appearance. If you're considering awning windows West Jordan, our experts are here to assist. We offer a range of options, including aluminum awning windows and storm awning windows, to suit your specific requirements. Our custom awning windows are designed to provide both style and durability, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Our window cleaning services in West Jordan ensure your windows remain spotless and clear, enhancing the overall look of your property. We also offer window tinting options to provide privacy and reduce glare, as well as window screen installation to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. When it comes to window glass replacement in West Jordan, our team is equipped to handle all types of projects. Whether you need double-glazed windows for added insulation or window hardware replacement for improved functionality, we have you covered. Our window leak replacement services address any issues promptly, preventing further damage and ensuring your windows remain watertight. For those in need of window-style options in West Jordan, our window design consultation services are here to help. We guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the perfect windows to complement your home's architecture. Our window upgrade solutions are designed to enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your windows. Our residential awning windows West Jordan solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. From window frame replacement to window sealing services, we provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Our window insulation services are designed to improve energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable throughout the year. For those seeking window measurement services in West Jordan, our team provides accurate and reliable measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Our window upgrade solutions are designed to enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your windows, providing you with the best possible results.